Today we'll show you how to prepare enough ingredients to feed around 4 hungry guests. Of course, you'll need some chicken breasts, an 8-corn tortilla, along with a few other ingredients that form the topping to the tostada. For the salsa, you'll need about 5 medium-sized tomatoes, a brown onion and some garlic. Chipotle is an authentic condiment made from smoked-dried jalapenos. Your first step in preparing Tinga De Pollo is to chop an onion. Cut a brown onion in half, peel it, and then cut the onion into fine slivers, like so. Do the same with both halves and put it aside for later. We'll use the onion when we come to cook the chicken. Take a large, flat baking tray and line the base thoroughly with olive oil. Then place your chicken breasts onto the tray, lightly drizzle olive oil over the fillets and season with ground black pepper and a pinch of salt.
Now we're gonna do cover the chicken with foil and put in the oven at 260 degrees for about 17 minutes.
Now is the time to start work on a tangy salsa sauce, which we will use to marinate our chicken. Peel a clove of garlic and place it into the food blender. Next, take a tomato, remove its stalk, chop it in half and add this to the garlic. Do the same with the rest of the tomatoes, about 4 more in total. Add about 2 tablespoons of chipotle. This will give the sauce a smoky and spicy flavour. Then season with a good pinch of salt. Finally, pour about a cup of water over the ingredients before blending until the contents become a fine liquid. Set this aside for later. We will now prepare the toppings for our tostadas. Finely slice some iceberg lettuce, then take some feta cheese and dice it into small cubes. By now, your chicken should be ready to remove from the oven. Using your fingers, shred the chicken into small pieces. This should be quite easy to do while the chicken is still warm and moist. Now we can start the process of stewing the chicken. Heat a pan to a medium heat and drizzle with oil. Add the onion slices and allow them to cook gently. Keep turning them to ensure that they do not burn. Once the onions have browned slightly, pour the tomato salsa that we prepared earlier over them. Give the sauce a stir, cover and allow the tomatoes to cook through. Once the sauce has changed colour, you can add the shredded chicken to the pan. Stir in well and ensure that all the chicken is covered with sauce. Cover and allow to cook for a few minutes. Meanwhile, place some corn tortilla onto a foil-covered baking tray. Lightly cover these with olive oil before placing in a hot oven for a few minutes.
Now, the final stage is to put the tortilla in the place, put a bit of lettuce, not too much, just a little bit, just to give it a flavor. We put the Tinga De Pollo on top. We just put a bit of top of sour cream. Then top it up with a bit of feta cheese. Nice, a bit of salt into the dish. Then finally, we put a bit of avocado, cut in slices, just to give the final touch. Then we put it in on top.
Tinga De Pollo, a healthy snack featuring a number of authentic ingredients that truly reflect the cultural heritage of Mexico.